Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Rank Math for automatic schema and sitemaps step by step clearly. Once there, locate the pricing section on the home page. Click on the pricing link to view the various subscription plans available. Review the details of each plan to determine which one suits your needs. After selecting a plan, click on the Get Started button associated with that plan. You will be redirected to the account registration page. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password. Make sure to check the box for agreeing to the terms and conditions. Once you've entered your details, click on the Create Account button. You will receive a confirmation email. Open that email and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. Next, log into your Rank Math account using your registered email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard to access your subscription details. Locate the option for automatic schema and sitemaps in the dashboard settings. Enable these features by toggling the switches to the on position. After making these adjustments, ensure to save your settings. Now, your Rank Math subscription is active, and automatic schema and sitemaps are configured. Visit your website to confirm that the changes are functioning as expected. If needed, you can always revisit the Rank Math support documentation for further guidance. That's it. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.